Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is finally putting in this higher high. Ideally, we're now moving all the way up to 17.1k at least, as I would like to see it, because this is the important resistance point or target point. At least the first one, because if I look at here, the ABC target for the C wave, this is the 17.1k level. That's the first one. Then we've got 17.3 and then 17.6, just to remind everybody. We have a little bit of, it's a little bit unclear what we've got going on here. As I said before to you, I'm still expecting higher as long as we're holding 16,850. So all of that is good and fine, and we are pushing higher here. Continue to move up in the wave 5. The thing is just this wave 5 in yellow, yeah? How do we label that? I mean, it could be, there's a few possibilities here. Obviously, I did relabel the Ethereum chart. So on Ethereum, or with Ethereum, I made it like that. Wave 1 up, wave 2 down. This could now be a 3, 4, and 5, and we push a bit higher. This would be a very long wave 5, but that would be fine because this could be considered some kind of an expanding diagonal. You know, it could be something like that, and we could push higher in this channel. At the moment, I think I'm going to go with that, knowing that maybe we don't get this 4th and the 5th, but I think we certainly should get here a little bit higher to at least 17.1. So we're going to take it level by level, as I said before. And we've broken that previous high, so that means the wave 5 in yellow is definitely ongoing now, and anybody who entered here in maybe this support area could now move the stop loss below the previous low. At least that is what I would be doing. Not doing it here because I'm trading Ethereum at the moment. Actually, my first take profit order I think triggered now. I'm quite happy with that about ETH. But yeah, I think there's no sign this is topped yet, and it should in all likelihood go a bit higher. If this is the count, then it should move in this third wave to 17,000. 1 second. Well, actually, yeah, but this would be a very bullish interpretation. I'm not really sure if this is really playing out. This wave 3 should take us to 17,486. Now, I'm not too confident in this because this could be an ending diagonal in the wave 5. So we have lower targets. We possibly look at here 17,265. Yeah, the 1-to-1 ratio in a diagonal, sometimes a little bit more likely. What I want to outline here is that really at the moment, looking at the wave 5 as a whole impulse like that would push us higher than I think it should be going, or at least I need to rework here the wave count again, because it doesn't look like the wave 5 should be that long. But it can be, it wouldn't be invalidated or anything. So I would say 17.1k, if we take a look at the ABC and the target, that would be the next key target, yeah. If we get above that, then we can focus here on that 17.3k level, yeah. Maybe starting from 17,265 all the way up to 17.3. If we get above that, then we're looking at this area around 17.5, 17.6. So I think here it's at the moment just not to lose track of the trend as well. Yeah, we are now in an uptrend, and typically I think what is to avoid is to leave the trade too early. Moving up stop losses is an idea. For example, always below the previous swing low when a previous high has been broken. I think that's a good method here in this scenario. And I think when we are breaking out of this channel to the downside, I think then it looks like that this move up will be finished. It's a very moderate uptrend. We're moving nicely in the channel. Let's see if we now push here to the resistance area of the channel. That would be my next expectation. Yeah, in this scenario, it looks impulsive how we're starting. So maybe we reach that 17,265 level next. And there is no sign it has topped, so we will go higher. It's only the only constraint we have in this ABC pattern to the upside, and I did talk about that before, is the 17.6k level. Getting above that would make this ABC pattern unlikely. Yeah, here the 1.618 extension, because then I would have to count this as a wave 1, this as a wave 2, and a wave 3 that exceeds more than the 1.618 extension. It would then be a more bullish scenario where we can actually move up in 5 waves. And that could then take us to around, maybe 19 to 20K. So I'll focus on this very closely. I'm observing that very closely at the moment, but it's at the moment not doing anything unexpected. We're moving higher. Lower level wave counts, there are always 2 or 3 different scenarios, so I don't want to confuse you too much. Again, this could be a 1, 2, and we're moving up in 3, 4, 5. That's a possibility. Another possibility would be to leave it as it was, as a 1, 2 here in small, then the 3, this was the 4, and we're just getting one more leg up in 5. So we just need to here, in the short term, take it level by level, look at the individual support areas. What we definitely should avoid now is to break below the previous swing low, that wave 2. That wouldn't be very healthy, because at the moment, ideally, it should now be pushing higher. If it now comes down, I mean, this could still be an A overshooting wave B and C down, but it wouldn't be good. It would sort of break the trend, and ideally we're now following the trend here to the upside. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.